secretariat ebintu nga bino erina okubeera very very involved. NUP media team erina okubeera very involved kuba kakati tuba tulowooza nti activities ezigenze mu maaso Cornwall mu Wales zirina okubeera posted all over our social media handles, zirina okubeera posted all over our website, because that is content gye tuyinza okukozesa okulaga ensi nti we have been doing something. Nti ne Cornwall we were represented, America tubaddeyo nga tuprotestinga, Germany and all these countries, because what we are doing is not only fighting a dictatorships, but kye tuli mu kukola tulina mu kuwandiika history. We are writing history, and history waffe tajja kubaako kulimba in one way or the other, like owaba Museveni, because Museveni they just make up their stuff. Ne bagamba nti oh we had 27 guns, ne bagamba kino ne bagamba kiri, but everyone avaayo ne contradicting accounts on how everything happened. So I would like to appreciate you guys ababadde Cornwall nti mukoze omulimu gw'amaanyi. Naye I would also like to encourage the secretariat to improve their media strategy, okwongera kakati activities ng'ezo zirina okuba nga ziri updated ku website, zirina okuba nga ziri posted ku Twitter handles zaffe, ku social media platforms zaffe, because no one covers our protests unfortunately. Nti buli we tukola protests wano mu diaspora, Ugandan news doesn't even talk about it. Literally they don't talk about it, and which is something really big. Tebakyogerako. Tebakiwandiika nako in fact. So it is us to put the story out there for the world to know, for the world to see. Because for tutatambuza story yaffe, then ejja kukoma bukomi awo. Literally it will just stop there. I think everyone is doing whatever they can. Chovola nti it creates a very big divide within the diaspora as well as the people back home. And whereas the people in the diaspora are doing whatever they can, bakola buli ekisoboka. The people back home bo balabanga bagamba nti okay mukole kye musobola naffe tukole kye tusobola this side, but yet these two things for it to work together inakubanga symphony, like it has to be like music, and you have different tunes, and to bring out the music those tunes all have to be composed together in order to hear music sound. Otherwise if you don't do that, then all you have is just noise, because no one wants to listen to noise. Everyone wants to listen to music. Music is organized sound. Noise is disorganized sound. Simple as that. So if we are disorganized, it's all going to turn up as noise. If we are organized, we shall make good music. So the idea is that whatever happens in Uganda has to be popularized in the diaspora, and whatever happens in the diaspora should not be popularized in Uganda, because the only thing that we have is media. If we do not capture, if we do not strategize, if we do not as much as we can our media, we are tugenda kubeera very very much affected. It is abaganda bafe abavudde London ne bagenda Wales. I mean it's a very long journey, a very very long journey. That is your commitment y'amaanyi nnyo, but baba bataddemu obudde bwabwe, bataddemu ssente zaabwe. Everything has been put on the line for these people to go and protest in Cornwall. So equally, people back home, they should play their role, and people who are running our media, baba nabo balina playing a role yaabwe. Okusobola okulaba nti they popularize these protests. These are not Twitter protests zetukola, guys. These things have to be popularized, ladies and gentlemen, because if they are not popularized, if they are not put out there, if they are not documented, if they are not given a push, kati mulaba protest eyo gye tukoze olwaleero, it is good that His Excellency Robert Kyagulanyi Ssentamu yagipostinzeeko ku social media handle ye. Era Uganda is bleeding, ebadde streaming awalinga nakatu streaming, and Uganda is bleeding had some of the record numbers zebadde tefuna all of a sudden, because kiraga nti that extra push that His Excellency gyaba atuwaddemu oba gyaba awadde abantu abali mu struggle, it really goes a long way than just if at all we are all keeping quiet. Now what that means is nti if we can support more oba naiba MPs nabo ne bajja ne ba taking a part in these protests, ne bajja ne boogera those 5 minutes David is awo abantu okwogera, but MPs ne bajja ne boogera, people from the secretariat ne bajja ne boogera. This is really good. That is how things should be. And I also believe nti nebiba bigenda maaso mu Uganda, they can invite people like Patricia to come and speak among people like anyone. Jaffa can also come and speak it to the people, things like that, so that we have that sort of connection. Naye buli wetu breaking a connection yeyo wakati waba MPs, wakati wa leaders, wakati wa secretariat, as well as naffe ba wananchi, oba naffe ba bloggers, oba naffe ba activists, then what we are having is just something that is all over the place. What we are literally doing is throwing so much stuff on the wall to see what sticks. You're trying this and that, okay, Uganda, just throwing everything all over the place to see what sticks. So at the end of the day, that is easy because Muamuri disintegrated and you can easily be taken down one by one in one way or the other. So I do believe in Chikatinga protest channel, His Excellency Wajiwade push in his Facebook page. The same thing should be given push after the protest. Videos ba Patricia Obutaddeyo ba David protests bazikoze bu clips obo mu busale salemu mu butambuze and show the world that people know about Bobi Wine, people know about Uganda, because what Museveni wants to show the world is that no one is supporting you. No one knows even about Bobi Wine. No one even knows about what you're fighting for. No one even knows about your political prisoners in the world. That is what Museveni is afraid of, because Museveni is not investing PR money in Uganda. No. Museveni is investing sente z'okumuvujjirira, essente ez'okumwogerera n'ez'okulongoosa ekifaananyi kye, sente aziteeka Bungereza wano na mu America. Why? Lwaki taziteeka e Uganda? N'abuulira bannayuganda nti look here, I'm a very good person. Museveni sente aziteeka mu America. Kakati tugigamba nti sente we ziri ffe we tukuba. Trump gundi walaga Biden we tulaga. Gundi walaga Boris Johnson we tukuba. Awe watayagala Museveni. Kati wabanga PR sente azitadde eno, naffe tulina kuteeka sente mu PR. Era secretariat wenejja baganda bange ng'ebasaba sente oba ng'ebasaba support yammwe mu public relations oba mu media, banaye do contribute as much as you can, because space ya media wetuvaako banaye tugenda kuddayo mu shadows. Tuba tuzzeeyo mu shadows. So ekibaddewo olwaleero kintu kirungi nnyo, kintu kibadde very energetic, kintu kikutteyo, abantu bonna Bobi Wine bamumanyi, ababadde ku protest bonna bategeera who Bobi Wine is. All thanks to people mu abali ku social media, all thanks to people mu abatweetinga, abakola Twitter protests, all thanks to the people bonna abali mu makomera abakoze bonna kye musobola, that the world all of a sudden knows about us. And we have to keep us in that limelight so that the world does not forget us. People have been there who have been fighting Museveni. But they bafunangako chance ngaje tufunye inti fe struggle ya fete yakoma Uganda yabuka boundary neyingire Kenya, neyingire Sudan, yiyo Congo, yiyo Tanzania, Rwanda, okuvira ddala esahe egundi Port Said Egypt, kira paka ku Cape of Good Hope yonna bamanyi Kyagulanyi, okuvira ddala ejettakoladi egundi West Africa wana nakufa waddo Nigeria, gendera ddala baka eri Addis Ababa egundi oba whatever Addis Ababa, oba gendera ddala paka eri what do you call it, Eritrea or Somalia, yonna bamanyi Kyagulanyi. Ekyo tekibangawo. Ekyo tekibangawo. Lwaki bamumanyi all over the country? Lwaki bamumanyi all over the place? Gwolooza Ssemogerere yali asukka ne gundi. Ssemogerere teyasukka na Buganda. Osoka yasukka Buganda. Naye kale teyasukka Kalamojja. Ssemogerere era nga Kenya obugenda n'obabuuza n'ogamba naye Kenya, Ssemogerere mumumanyi nti yaani oyo. Still people didn't even know Ssemogerere. Naye Ssemogerere literally he fought Museveni. But people didn't know him. Yali local. He was local. Politics we wao Kampala, Uganda awo. It's just Ssemogerere nekifiira. And with all due respect, you might disagree or you might agree. Musajja Besigye Museveni blah 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 blah. But for argument's sake, what to guarantee naye abadde mu opposition. Kambabulira amazima. Besigye never went out of the boundaries. Never yanyima teyamuyambako. Kuba byanyimya was at the helm. Yali mu UNAIDS, abadde mu Oxfam. But teyayambako Besigye to be known in the world. Byanyima teyakikola. Besigye did not even get the numbers that we get today. Lwaki all these people failed in media, all these people failed in public relations. Tebakikola. If they ever tried media, bakozesanga local media yokka, that is where they reached out. They never engaged the people in the diaspora. But the diaspora today, yes, tukiddemu yo ne yeekwatiramu. negamba, you know what, fene tugenda kulinda Bobi Wine ajeje tuli, tugenda kulinda struggle ajeje tuli, we are already here, struggle against okujanga, we are ready for it, so we picked it up. Chobola, most of the people ajja kugamba nze His Excellency sogera nkona ye kino kikola kulwange sente nteekamu zange. So many people have invested a lot of money in this struggle kulwabwe. They are not even connected anywhere to the secretariat. So many people have even started initiatives. People like the Masaba, Batan says Twitter protest. David of Uganda is bleeding. Bantu Lumbuye, Kojomu Gezi. These people, they are doing their work. And they were not told by the secretariat, please start. Why? Why? You see, that is why these things are so effective. That is why people power. That is why Bobi Wine. That is why this struggle is very, very deadly. That Museveni doesn't know how to deal with it. Intikakati, okay, kati bano bagayi aba diaspora no wankwale kale ne tadde ku bantu nti njagala bafuga bichi. But how am I going to deal with the diaspora? There are so many people. These people are working. Bali mu kuteeka sente mu struggle ekintu ekitabangawo. Abantu bali mu kweteeka mu sente literally. Bameka basondera semogere sente mu kyenda mu muganda. Kume muri bameka basondera. Okay, Besigye waliwo abamusondera. But not at the magnitude as we have collected money for His Excellency Robert Kyagulanyi Ssentamu. How many? How many of you? To the extent that people are even contributing bloody proof cars. Bulletproof cars. Bulletproofs. That is the extent at which people have reached. Where do you put that energy? Where do you take those people? You think that when we're for just a couple of months, Museveni's biggest worry is not that Bobi Wine is not trying to fight back. Museveni's biggest worry is not that Bobi Wine is trying, maybe we are subdued today. Museveni's biggest worry is that abantu bano bonna babadde bawagira Kyagulanyi. Ababadde bawagira enkyukakyuka bano bonna abanfudde unpopular. Energy eyo yonna bagenda giteekawa. I cannot kill all of them. Bonna siyinza batta. Bonna siyinza kubagula. Bonna siyinza bawa bifo mu government. Government erina gundi ye ka government ke kalina cabinet ministries 8. We are over 40 million. Abagera Museveni. Wogatako n'obufofufu waaga batebuweza na kakadde. Ne sente ne wanazifuna zonna mu World Bank anakuwa meka gwali e Bulaya. Oyina mortgage ya million oba mitwalo 7 eja dollar, eja pound. Like ojja kusanga wana e Bulaya. Omuntu ebizibu byayina. Look here. Now omuntu kati abali mu diaspora. Ebizibu bye tuyina bya like literally ebizibu bye tuyina, right? Ojja kutandika nga ekizibu kyose ennyumba gy'opangisa first of all ogipangisa million 10. Nti kati Museveni to come and corrupt you for 10 million just for 1 month rent, 1 month's rent, like 1 month's rent. Tichisoboka. That is why diaspora is very deadly, because it is very expensive. Okuwasinga diaspora. Webanga diaspora naddala fa abantu abali mu diaspora. Naddala wetubanga tunyweredde ku nsonga. Kiba kizibu nnyo okugitujjako. Kubanga toyina buli munze gogenda kumpa Uganda, gugenda kunzija wano. Nti nzireye Uganda, nti jangu mayanja, tugenda kuwa wano $15 buli mwezi. Ojokole. Really? $15 per month? You ask people abali mu diaspora bababulire the expenses they run. Nti singa abazze Uganda, is $15 kwe kuli health, sasulira abaana fees, kola kino kola kiri and all this kind of stuff. Shitegera. The only reason ekiyinza okuzzayo bana Uganda kiyinza kubeera patriotic. Because I was a teacher. I was somesa history, geography. That's my profession. And I enjoy teaching so much. But the problem is I cannot go back to Uganda to teach. I can't feel happy. I can't feel proud. Omusomesa Uganda one master's, PhD, headmaster, akolera emitwalo 9. Emitwalo 9 giyinza kukolera kiwano. Kakati gwawe emitwalo 9 bro. Kati golowooza kankubulire. Kyobola abangu okugula to some extent. Naye diaspora abantu bakola sente. People are rich. Everything people that they have ever admired, byonna babiyina. So all of a sudden bagamba, what can I do for my nation? Let me give back. Nti kiki akasajja kano katuleetedde embeera embi tukasiga okuliwe. That is what is happening. So kakati togenda kujja wano doctor, the only reason as to why a doctor would go back to Uganda is a sense of patriotism. Inti nzizeyo kulwanirira kuyambako kakati ye Uganda right now. Uganda yandibadde yalicallinze n'abasawo bonna bali mu diaspora okugenda okugiyambako ku COVID. Gwe government yamwe ebanga eri popular. Lwaki temuyita abasawo kujja kubayambako? Lwaki temugamba abantu bali mu diaspora kubayambako? Bwe mubanga muli popular. They also know they are unpopular. No doctor is going to come to Uganda to help out. No one. I can come back to Uganda to teach for free. You know what? This I'll take a year off. Let me go back and serve my country. But ne better tell you we serving because mwatucha yensi ya fe. Tell you mutaiza kuva mu diaspora. Era omuntu yena o bakakana bakomyeyo. Mbwavudde wano agenze kola mu government ya Museveni. But ukamu government ya Museveni tebali basubiranga si kyekyo. Nga bakoma wene Bulaya. Bona walona abageze business in Uganda. I do understand. Well, some people who have done businesses in Uganda. Some of you have bought land bichi. Naye mwebuuze lwaki abagula amayumba n'amataka ne bazimba ezo nyumba zibwaguka ne bagenda ne bazisula. They don't go there to live in those houses. Why? Why don't they go there to live in those houses? Naye ate nga bandyagadde okuzibeeramu. Bandyagadde okubeera in that comfort and all this kind of stuff. But it's not happening. Now, kye tugamba nti as people power, as NUP, media is very, very important. Ate citizen journalism eno ffe tukola ne tujja ne twogera bwogezi wange tulina script, sina producer, sina chi. Just switch on my camera as well as my lights. Bang. Nenzija n'ekikuba ne ngenda enkya ne nkola. Lulina empeereza y'akasente Uganda. Lulina enkola kino. Gw'omanyi okubanga oli awo emyaka esatu. For 3 years. Tewali lunaku lwali luyiseewo nga tolowoozezza ku His Excellency Robert Kyagulanyi Ssentamu. Tewali lunaku lwali luyiseewo nga tolowoozezza ku struggle. Ne bw'oba nga toli ku live bye bikubeerako. Kimu bibiri otunula ku Facebook, kimu bibiri otunula ku WhatsApp, kimu bibiri otunula ku Telegram, Viber. Kye kitambula. Eby'emipiira abantu tebakyabyogerako. Ebya music abantu tebakyabyogerako. Nothing. Where do you take all that energy? Museveni kyatya. That is his biggest scare. Until the guy is everywhere. Wakasimu kulula Facebook watch gitamza. Bino na comedy store bye baleeta bye batekamu abaana bacyange. Bonna bali bakola mu comedy store atekyali abamanyi. Simanyi nze nali nyumirwa nnyo MC obaye kapa manyinachi oba kapali. I used to like his comedy kale. Nika kati niwe ngenda yo bila batebinyumira. Tebinyumira. I swear tebinyumira. Simanyi. Maybe I've become desensitized. Tebinyumira at all. Teacher is the music go bakubana nyumira. Nothing. Literally nothing. Edikezo yafulumiza akayimba akapa promoting emirundi nga 10. Naye abantu buli agenda ku Facebook page ye agenda yo kulaba akayimba yakafulumiza sijja agenda yo kalaba ku YouTube. Why? Lwaki oluyimba lwa Bobby Wine olwa Corona era lwe lukomyewo? Lwaki tebaleeta 0-30-2-0 enyamba ya Corona Uganda? What's happened? What is happening? Memuzanyisa media. What is happening? What is happening? Wallahi nebo ntuza wali nonga amayanja tubulire enyimba 10 ezifulumyo emyaka 2 emabega. Sina luyimba olukuleka ngo luyimba luli ku struggle obanga luyimba ku Kyagulanyi. I swear wallahi ngata Allah sizimanyi. I don't know the songs. I do not know. I swear sizimanyi. Ina zingina nenda baba abayimbi abapya nti ono muyimbi mupya ono simanyi ye muyimbi gundi ono yani ono simanyi ye. I can't even mention 6 musicians. But where do you take all that? Era Bobby Wine Corona kasaya yitiridde mu katono gwe bayise bali mu muwegayira bambi gwe kagwayinza okwogera abantu ne bawulira ate Museveni tutakyagala. Bano bonna bannabi abali bavuma Kyagulanyi kakati bali mu luyimba lwe. Bobby Wine is the head artist. Chokanga nali mu luyimba musibe. Bano bonna abalala bali mu collabo. No one has ever called out nti bana yetwagala abantu baffe basumulule. Piper atebwe, Dan Magic atebwe, Nubian Lee atebwe, Eddie Mutwa atebwe. None. Nebaze mu luyimba lwamu naawe. Tuyambe ko naffe tujjeko wano Kameme tuyimbe mukko. Saja alimo kuba kati rimi ye top of the top, cream de la cream. Abasigadde bonna ki gundi mayirungi. These other people are mayirungi. See, cut, they're just mira. Mayirungi mere teri makulu. No, seriously, for the past 3 years, 365 days, for the past 4 years, 365 days times 4, I don't know what the number is. Tewali lunaku lutambudde mu Uganda nga terukona ku Bobi Wine. It has never happened in Uganda's politics. Is it about to end? Absolutely not. Tewali lunaku lutambudde mu Uganda nga terukona ku NUP, terukona ku People Power, terukona ku struggle above all. Where do you put all that energy? Everything is in Dabange Chakaita wano Jews. Like, I just look at them like, oh, it's the Twakachimana wano Jews. But they tell her, it's Mwaka Mulamba. Like 2 years ago. Joa, you know, yafulumye enyimba kati buli muntu, everyone is struggling for space. Buli muntu, omwana yawandika comment, and I will never forget this comment. Guy yagamba, coach yagamba nti, omusajja People Power okumanya yawamba Facebook. Oba, His Excellency Robert Kyagulanyi yawamba Facebook. Onyonya woyisa posting nga tolabawo. Onyonya woyisa comment nga tolabawo. Onyonya woyisa comment ujoteka ku Facebook nga tolabawo. Nowhere. Nganinga kancho onyonya wo search gere nga tolina. Do you think that is easy to maintain? Ngoli newcomer for 3 years. Chovolaba, I'm telling people abali ku secretariat. I tell people abali mu NUP, abarunning echibina, MPs, councillors, everyone, do not take this thing for granted. Temu taking a commitment y'abantu for granted. Temu taking a kwewayo kw'abantu for granted. Mu creating as much as you can, you should be having a media strategy. We muba temuina media, game egenda kubaseererako, and people will look to put their energy elsewhere. And I'm warning you on that. It is just constructive criticism. Have a fully functioning website. Have your Twitter, Facebook handles ngazika varinga event season na ezigenda maso mu diaspora ne Kampala. Mu creating eche Twitter forums is a discussion within Kampala or within the secretariat, blah, 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 and interaction within the secretariat, within the diaspora, as well as, you know, blah, 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 blah. Musoro creating a campaigns ezenja ulo. That is, I mean, kubanga kati for campaign to create in about diaspora. Tutula abantu babasaba babo akola Twitter protests. Fe twine betukola wano kuchoto about diaspora abantu bagenze ku G7 by Uganda is bleeding bakola ogwawe. We also looking for more that we are also looking for more campaigns from Kampala. Nafeza tuinzo ku engaging we muleta campaigns if it is promoting and if we tuleta campaigns some was promoting that is what we are supposed to be doing. Mubulungi simubi chimuvamula bantu kakati what is happening ebipande byaffe byetulega mu 7-3 our political prisoners fenga mu P bagamba abaifu si bagamba abamawulire temugezane mubiraga ku TV temugezane mubiraga ku TV ennaku zino ne woleta ka sex tape tekakyayitawo abantu bagala kumanya His Excellency yayogedde ki gwaluli okimanyi kakati bagenda kulilizinga mu sex tape sina sex tape like I don't watch that stuff. Naye babuleta technically okubuzaabuza abantu waliwo ebya desire we byafulumira saabirabako but people were saying nti waliwo ebifaananyi bya desire byafuluma but the entire world was on that tiabana wabifunye wakafunye no kakati abantu bagala wakafunye akakyagulanyi nti wabirabye gundi wamulabye kyeyogedde nti ani nzirunguye nti gundi walabye kyeyogedde nti ani gundi Patricia gundi jafa wawulire kyeyogedde gundi wawulire that's the drill. Kali blood no waboloza nti ogenda kukola fame ng'oyimbye yakayimba oba releases and news tezina wezigenda kuyita. Such is how things have become so tight. That is how tight things have become. Wale ituina kote fetuina shows twalabanga kuno ku Facebook nga muri showbiz bichi oli nawe mula kuva ku machapa kalagulo ngawe mula which is fine. But people know, like, people can't. Literally can't. Zino zona platforms ezileta amawulire, like waliwo platforms nze nakyobola nagamba abantu, like tekigasa kubeera wano nti for as long as omuntu ali ku struggle period kimala naddala ku Facebook naye kati yogera nolaba omuntu ono alwaniso ono because this one is doing much better than this one and so on and so forth, but at the end of the day naseka one of the people yagenda naga wayinza kanzireyo mbyange bye nali mmanyi biri ebyaloli maama nyabo, people just left, like literally nga balinga abatabeeranga nawo, era nga post gy'osinga okukola ng'ekola ku struggle yesinga okuleeta abaki abalabi, meaning that there is a market, meaning there is a yearning by people want to know more, people want to understand what is going on. Naye bw'oleese simanyi nyina Rose yayawukanye oba ne Daddy Andre, I see those things happening. Musimanyi gundi yayanjudde Rasa, there is things like never Rasa tebiyitawo, they don't tebiyitawo. I was scrolling Rasa yani, who is Rasa? I'm scrolling. Ekintu kale kinga ekiyinza okuba nga kyesembereza kyekyokwesteaminga. People are talking because bantu boogera nnyo ku struggle, but ne steaming tennaba ku penetrating. Waliwo akakoola kati ke batandise okutambuza akakoola ako baba bakayita batya sikamanya akakoola. There is that kakoola ke bagamba musimanyi ke bamukozesa okusteaminga. Those are the vital things that are going viral. Nebino ebyaba Rasa simanyi Rasa simanyani, people don't care. Zino shows amwe ze mwalaba ngedda Anikat, people are no longer watching those things. Tebabiraba. Abantu bali, they are yearning for information. So if people are yearning for information, the role of the secretariat is to feed them the information. The role of the people power leaders is to create information, is to craft information, is to deliver information. That's their role. Simple. You will keep people coming back. So, ekikoleddwa ku G7 kibadde kyamaanyi nnyo. Gwe kankubuuze goloza teriyo bantu bemumanyi nga bansinga amagezi. Like people are there abansinga amagezi. Nsinza asinga amagezi, ku Facebook, but still nti Mwenda wakola show ali nange nenkola show, people will listen to me. I'm sure I will have more people listening to me than listening to Mwenda because they know Mwenda is going to speak garbage. Muhoozi will be even lucky to get his own father to listen to what he has to say because his own father doesn't trust him. Museveni does not trust his own son. They're trusting his judgment. Museveni himself believes that he is not the gentleman is not so talented, intelligent-wise. So Muhoozi would be lucky to get someone to watch him, except maybe for the wife. Muhoozi wakola show. Ask yourself, why are there no NRM bloggers? Why is there no one in NRM that is writing these things? Why do they have to create multiple accounts? I can guarantee you that over 800 people who are watching me today, everyone is a unique account. There is no duplicate account. There is no fake account. If Museveni is doing his live show, literally, most of the accounts are duplicated. And that has been proven. That has been proven. So kakati space ya media, let us consolidate it. Let us hold it tight. And this should be coming from the secretariat. Because with touchikola ekyo abantu bagenda kutuddukako, abantu bagenda kutandika okutumanyiira, abantu bagenda kutandika okulya sente za Museveni. I don't know if it is true, but Mulengera whatever news website released an article ngegamba nti waliwo guy lwabadde baagala okuwa oba prime minister emukono. Guy yagambye sikyagala mufune omulago mu kiwa ekifo ky'oba prime minister, abantu bajja kunvuma, social media ejja kuntabukira. People fear social media okubatabukira. Ladies and gentlemen, people fear social media backlash. Kiva waffe mwe mwakubye nabbanja oluvannyuma Museveni n'avaayo n'agamba neyewozaako cabinet nabadde gitrustinga biki gye nalonze. Mwe mwakubye nabbanja. Abajamani we bakongratulatinga Museveni, umwala bako monitor ngewandiiko oba Daily New Vision oba bikinga bagamba abajamani bawandisa Museveni oba biki. Lwaki we mwagala ne abajamani ne bajjayo post? It is you. Mwe mwakikola. It is you. Kati abantu now all of a sudden fear what social media is going to say. era nabadde ampuliriza programs nga social media ina amaanyi nga bagamba mwana ekiri ku social media eyo ekiri ku Facebook eyo buli omu awoleza Facebook ekiri ku Facebook ekiri ku Twitter nabirabyoko ku Facebook nange nabirabyoko ku Twitter nabirabyoko nega kakati public opinion is shifting. Like people are not listening so much more on what people on ground are saying because kakati awaberanga abaludo omweso amarwa, that sort of conversation ya shifting ababeranga ku bimenza nedene waffe kuki social media kakati aba boda abali ku stage aba taxi kaza abali mu wino kati conversation yeri wano ku mukutu buli mukazi ayine simu like most Ugandans, 19 million Ugandans, statistics show they have access to internet. Basobola, like they have phones, mobile phones, they have social media accounts, either by WhatsApp, by Telegram, by Twitter, by YouTube, all those platforms, or by TikTok. Now TikTok is taking the world by waves. Webanga Sugundi yafe baganda bafabali ku secretariat. You should engage these platforms. Do not underestimate any platform. Neweba TikTok mujikozese. By taking on TikTok, you're looking at potential voters, you're looking at potential struggleists abagenda okubeera 18 anytime soon. Or targeting a future ya Uganda. Gone are the days of working like Museveni inti kakati abavubuka bichi kubalimba kuchirinda omuntu naweza 18 then Museveni nayo katandika ba planning. No. Where politics is heading, you have to start planning for people who are 13 years old. How do you get people who are 13 years old and turn them into activists? How do you get them involved in politics? How do you get them involved in the politics of their nation? Because we want to read politics, you have to look at the demographics. Abantu abawagira NUP abawagira people power balina emyaka emeka. Abantu abali interested in Uganda's politics balina emyaka emeka. What is the age range? Nti 18 to maybe 60 or 70, 18 and above. All right, why is it 18? Racha was 13 and very interested. How can we attract people who are 13 years old? How can we get them on board? I was so happy. Abana baffe abalinga besimbyewo nga lockdown tezinajja nga bateekako ebifaananyi bya people power. Bateekako insignia za people power. Nze bampita wa Bobby simanyi ono oli yatwala suitcase ku ssomero ng'erimu ebifaananyi bya Bobby ne bamugoba. That is a very powerful message. You know what that means? No gomo mwana ali below 18 muloko ba yataddeko ebifaananyi bya Bobby. My God. It's a Chisula government, by the way. Chisula government. Jitegeza, the conversations in schools are becoming political. Chovola your energy Museveni agitide, like this energy is out of this world. Because by the time umwana waterekera poster na again, the Saturday kakochi financial base jenengena na chomo somero. Like whenever I went to school, the time I remember I got interested in politics was around, I think, 2001. And by then I think I was in P7. And that is when we were seen, but we were hearing about these stories, blah, 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 blah. And there were not so many distractions by then. Inti TV about right stations, Billy, Amawili Nagasoma Gaga, Tusomaga Iseko Mwezi. But Erango Muto Kubera interested in politics. Charlie's kind of niche during that time at our age. There I got fully interested at uni, a couple of years later. That's when I got really, really interested. I was around, I think, 18 years old. Kakati olabanga politics atandise okuyingira abaana eby'emyaka omwenda, emyaka 8, emyaka 7. It means that the future is bright. But how do you concentrate such kind of, or concentrating otya support ye, consolidating in the next 5 years, in the next 10 years, in the next 7 years? So when you're targeting, look at where are these kids. What is interesting them? TikTok. Can we get a strategy for TikTok? Bang, let us get it. Crafting a strategy. Okay, TikTok together call a content what. 1 minute. Because they say every avenue as much as you can, whether podcasts, whether Facebook, whether Twitter. I mean, Museveni pays a lot of money for such things. Do you know what he does? we bagenda mu bano mu PR agencies kyezikola nga bakola gundi nga ba reaching out to mawulire. They paid over $20,000 to Voice of America to host Sam Kahamba Kutesa kubya Patrick Ho. That is how much they pay. They pay these YouTubers, African YouTubers, to write about Uganda, to talk about Uganda in a positive, way, and to forget all about what happened. They reach out to AfricanNews.com. They reach out to the East Africans. They reach out to these people and write glowful articles to cover what is underneath. PR. Kakati mwino kola PR. Owa mwenga ari cheap. Because like what? Museveni is spending 100K. For you don't even need 100K. You just need to put the word out and people will just act like this. So ladies and gentlemen, our brothers and sisters, Ababade G7, guys, Mukulikeyo, Mukoze a very, very wonderful job. We do appreciate very much. I mean, nothing, you can't beat that. Obaba Museveni babaluwa, ebibobe fulaba tabiraba. Era kati ne protestants zetukola. Temujja birabako ku political shows byabwe, tebajja byogerako because gamba buli struggle actually very successful. It is because yava mu ba intellectual nedda mu bantu fa babulijjo. That is why it is as successful as it is. Kubanga ye intellectual oyo gwe muita intellectual ajja kusoka asome okay kakati according to this according to that nze mayanja nzija buzizire ne tusabula tewali musanyo. Anyway, putting that aside,